Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to Code Your Future 40 Minutes Coding Workshop for Non-Coders, of course, in partnership with the ICT Region 4A and 4B. I am Casey, and I will be your host this afternoon. Okay, so I'd like to go over the comment section muna, no, and check um, if you guys or can you type in where you guys are watching the workshop from? We have here, I saw kanina may Pangasinan ata yun. Hello. Ayun. Good afternoon, everyone. So there you have it. Now, I'd like to also know if this is your first time joining a CYF coding workshop. If it's your first time, just comment one. Or if it's your second time, third time, you can comment two. Sige, tingnan natin. Oh, someone from Rizal, Cavite, Antipolo. Hello. Welcome po. Batangas, Tarlac. Ayun. Ayun, madami. One, we have a lot of first timers here. Actually, parang lahat yata nag-comment is first timers. Okay, welcome po sa inyo and we're so happy to have you guys here with us for this coding workshop. Now, also, if you can, please do share our live stream link sa YouTube to your friends and family. And remember to use the hashtag code your future PH para ma-share din sa kanila no if ever they're interested. Also, there will be there's an info session later. Meron po akong i-share sa inyo mamaya na I think you guys will be interested in a very exclusive and great opportunity for you guys to continue on with your coding journey. So I hope you guys will stay for a bit later after the workshop para naman we can talk about this opportunity mamaya. So before we dive into the workshop, I would like to share no sa especially dahil marami tayong mga first timers here, I'd like to share what Code Your Future is about. So first, Code Your Future is an initiative with the Department of Information and Communications Technology, and this initiative aims to elevate more Filipinos to become tech professionals through tech education. So if you're wondering why the tech industry, bakit ito yung focus natin? Number one is because in the tech industry, this is according to Job Street 2020, no, this is the highest salary profession in any industry. So bakit kaya ganon? Bakit high yung salary? Meron din siyang reason. It's because high yung demand. So wherever kahit saang industry ka pumunta, meron talaga siyang IT na department. So whether you're in the academe, whether you're in business, kahit sa government, meron talaga siyang IT na department. That's why high yung demand. May options ka in almost all of the industries. Now, another one would also be the work flexibility. You can work remotely and sometimes you can even work at different time zones, no? So hindi siya parang nakakahon lang sa isang place or a certain time. So you can have the freedom to work, for example, at the comforts of your home. Pwedeng sa beach ka if you'd like to work there para maiba naman yung environment mo. That's fine as long as you have your device and your internet connection. So that is one of the very great advantages when you work in the tech industry. And lastly, there is no formal education required. Hindi ibig sabihin na dapat ano ka talaga meron kang PhD in IT para for you to have an opportunity to enter into the tech industry. So later I will also be sharing with you a great opportunity for you guys to learn more about this. Pag may mga career shifters tayo dito or interested to shift their careers, that's fine. I will be sharing with you a full stack training that you might be interested in, that you might want to take up. So ayun no. And also, joining Code Your Future can be your stepping stone into becoming a successful tech professional. So that's why I hope you guys will really take this chance and learn as much as you can sa coding workshop natin. 40 minutes lang siya, but you will be able to learn a program na practical siya, and you will understand more of a concepts of the concepts later. Of course, you are not also alone in this journey, in your journey no, in becoming a tech professional. So we have the Code Your Future Facebook community, and here you can connect with your fellow Filipinos, connect with career shifters, mga tech professionals na din andito sa community natin, and you will get the latest updates or news on upcoming workshops and career sessions. So hindi lang coding workshops yung ginagawa natin dito, we also have career sessions. So, if you guys are already a part of the Code Your Future Facebook community, type nyo naman dito sa comment section, I am part of Code Your Future FB community. Ganyan. So, para malaman natin, no, if you guys are already there and you guys can interact and build your network sa community natin. Okay, so um, let's dive into the next part. So before we go to the workshop, we have with us here, joining with us is from the ICT, who will give us the opening message. Let's all welcome the Regional Director of the ICT Region 4. We have Director Cheryl C. Ortega.
A pleasant morning to our respective partners from StackTrek and to our registered participants from various sectors in Calabarzon and Mimaropa. The advent of digital technology has greatly affected the availability of opportunities for our personal and professional growth as it opened up more chances for career development without requiring one's physical presence. With this scenario at hand, the importance of strengthening the ICT skills of our fellow Filipinos is part of our mandate in the department as we aspire for the Philippines to develop and flourish through innovation and constant development of ICT. Given this vision, it will be hard for us to succeed alone. Thus, we are grateful for this partnership with StackTrek as we offer ways to welcome more digitally inclined and ready individuals on our transition to a digital Philippines. Code Your Future initiative, jointly launched by the DICT and StackTrek, is the country's largest tech talent development project that aims to create more job-ready programmers that meets the need of the tech industry and is really a perfect venue to provide ideas and knowledge and vision to give profound opportunities in information and communications technology. May it be in strengthening of academic or employment careers of our participants. I am excited on what our partners from StackTrek can offer to all our non-coders on this 40 minutes coding workshop, and may our participants be able to pass on the knowledge to other people so you can likely take part as we work together in harmony in looking forward to a digitized nation, because technology in the classroom is not the end goal. Enabling learning everywhere is the goal, and that is a quote from Andrew Ladders.
Ayun po, no? So, thank you very much, Director Cheryl. Thank you for that really warm welcome and message for our participants this afternoon. Okay, so now we are going to dive into the most exciting part of this event. By the way, if you guys have any, if any of you have problems during the workshop or while you're coding, just type them in the comments so that our team can assist you. So feel free to share kung ano yung mga na-encounter nyo na issues. Alright, so let's proceed to the coding workshop. So we have with us here, joining with us in our coding workshop, we have the software engineer at Samsung R&D Philippines, and one of Stack League's gold level top challengers. Let's all welcome Mark Anthony Estopase. Hello, Mark. Good
Hello,
afternoon.
good
Good.
afternoon.
Welcome. Thank you for joining us here. So take it away, Mark.
Thank you, StackTrek and DICT for having me here. So let me share my screen. Yeah, all right. So type ready if you're ready to learn how to code within 40 minutes. All right. So let's get started. So before we start, so please note of your code indentation. So because we will be using Python here, and in Python, indentation is very important since it indicates the block of code. So yeah. So later on, makita natin yung mga indentions na magagamit natin. All right. Yeah. So the first part, so we have data types. So ano tong si data types? So si data type is an attribute associated with a piece of data that tells a computer system on how to interpret its value. So for example, so we have here the integer type wherein it holds a whole number only. Like for example, this one, the 5, the 10, or 16, 19, or anything, or any whole number that you can think of. Yeah, so that's the first data type of Python. And then next, we have here the float or the floating point. So si floating point naman, so type data type din siya ng Python wherein meron lang siyang decimal. So kung kanina yung type natin na integer is whole number, so kay floating point naman, so meron tayong decimal places. So it is up to 15 decimal places. So that's it for floating point. Next we have the string. So ano tong si string? So string is a sequence of Unicode characters and it holds the value like a word or a paragraph. So for the next slide, so we have here, kung makikita nyo dito, meron tayong string wherein it is enclosed with this these two what do you call this one, these two double quote, then yung nasa loob niya is yung string value, and then if you want to have a multi-line string, so yung mga string na kung gusto niyo na parang nasa next line, so you can use 3 double quote or 3 single quote. So in-close lang natin siya sa 3 double quote or 3 single quote. So yeah. So that's all for data types. So we have integer, we have float, and we have string. So next, we have the conditionals. So si conditionals naman, meron tayong tinatawag na if-else statement. So it is mostly common use for decision making in programming. So like for example, if something is true, it will execute the block of code. So pagka nag-true yung statement na yon, so merong part ng code na i-execute niya. Or else, yung i-execute niya is dun yung nasa else statement. So next one para mas maintindihan pa natin si if else. So for this one, so kung makikita nyo, that test expression is checked. So meaning to say, kapag meron tayo ditong expression, so kapag nag-true siya, yung blocks of code dun sa true is ayun yung mag-execute. And then if nag-false naman yung statement, so yung block of code dun sa false, ayun yung mag-execute. So for example, you have a 10,000 cash and you want to buy a phone. So for example, yung phone na gusto mo bilhin is 15,000. So kasya ba yung 10,000 mo to buy a 15,000 worth of phone? So mapupunta yan dito sa false. So i-check niya 10,000 ba is equals to 15,000. So since hindi equal, so magpo-false siya and pwede nyo na ditong i-execute yung mga codes na gusto nyong ilagay. Like for example, since kulang ka nga ng 5,000, so pwede kang mag-ipon muna. Ganon. So if naman meron ka ng 15,000, so for example, you have a cash on hand na 15,000 and yung phone is exactly 15,000, so mapupunta yun sa block of codes ng if. So mababay mo na yung phone. So pwede mo nang i-execute yung codes mo na bibilhin mo na yung phone. So that's it for if-else statement. So now, let's move on to the exciting part wherein punta lang tayo dun sa stack ed. So punta lang tayo sa my courses and then punta lang tayo sa view course tapos coding playground. Type playground if nasa coding playground na kayo. Alright, let me check. Alright. So, i-ready lang natin yung coding playground natin. So for the next slide, we have a problem. So, ito yung isosolve natin using programming. So, right now, alam naman natin na sobrang init na and because it's summer, so we need something refreshing. So, we need to refresh. And with that, so basically, yung mga mangyayari is iayain natin yung friends natin to somewhere na nakaka-refresh or yayain nating mag-travel yung friends natin. And ang problem na isosolve natin, so basically, kapag nag-travel tayo, syempre, merong fare. And then, minsan, yung mga travel, yung mga pinupuntahan natin, merong mga promo code wherein typical Filipino type na kapag ka may promo, so G lang tayo agad. And then we have here another input, so number of adults. So kung ilan kayong magka-travel. So basically, yung inputs pala, so ito yung mga inputs from the user. So for example, if magre-register ka kay Facebook, so meron dong mga input na name, address, email. So it is same with that. And then so sa input natin, meron tayong fare. So meron tayong promo code, then number of adults, then total luggage in kilograms. So kung ilan yung dala nyo or kung ilang kilo yung dala nyong luggage. Then next, since meron tayong input, syempre meron din tayong output. So ano naman to si output? So si output naman, ito yung ina-output ng most likely yung system natin. So i-output dito if yung luggage status, if it exceeds 20 kilograms. So later on, kapag kasi nag-exceeds ng 20 kilogram yung luggage natin, so bawal kayo mag-travel. So later on, makikita natin yun sa code natin. And then we need to output the discount. So kung ilan yung na-discount, and then of course, yung value added tax. So kung ilan yung tax nung based dun sa total cost. And then lastly, so we need to output yung total cost wherein yung parang nagastos nyo. So lahat ng nagastos nyo. So basically, that's for the output. And then we have here the promo code wherein syempre kapag ka may promo code tayo, so medyo mababawasan yung total cost natin. So sa code natin, makikita natin na kapag ka may 15%, so mas maliless yung total cost. So this is sample output. So meron tayong discount for 50, and for example, luggage fee for 100, and then value added tax. So kung ilan yung naging tax, and then of course yung total cost. So now, let's move on to our um, what we call this. So to our coding playground. So type playground again if you're already in the playground. And then if you are already in the playground, so piliin nyo lang dito si Python since we will be using Python here sa ating code. Alright. I assume nasa coding playground na kayo. So now, let's have a constant here. So si constant, ito yung mga variable na hindi mo pwedeng mabago. So meaning to say, at the end of the program, si constant is hindi nagbabago. So from the word itself, constant meaning hindi siya nagbabago. So paano natin i-declare si constant variable? So to declare a constant variable, so based on our problem, for example, we have a tax rate of 0.075. So, to declare a constant, so laging uppercase lahat. And then, pwede tayong maglagay ng underscore. So, but, ayun nga, yung rule for constant in Python, so dapat palaging naka-uppercase. And then, we have here, luggage fee. Okay. Luggage fee. So, magkano yung luggage fee? 400. So, ayan. So, ayan si constant, meaning hindi siya nagbabago. And, ayun nga. So, dapat lagi naka-uppercase. And, kung tapos na kayong i-type si constant, so, type constant in the comment section if you're done with the constant. Alright. I assume you're done with the constant. So now, let's move on to our inputs. So ito na yung sinasabi natin kaninang inputs. So inputs is yung kinukuha from the user. Yung data na kinukuha from the user. So for example, gaya na sabi ko kanina, pag nagre-register kayo, for example, sa social media, kinukuha yung name, yung email address. So ayun yung mga example ng inputs. So sa problem natin, meron tayong fare, and i-enclose natin yung input natin sa float. So, bakit natin i-enclose sa float? Since si fare, since we are dealing with money, so hindi siya whole number, right? So, meron ding mga decimal points si money. Like, for example, 100.5, 100.5. So, yung mga decimal places ng money. If we are dealing with money, so, palagi yung naka-float. And next one, we have here the promo code. The promo code and then input. And sa promo code naman, so hindi natin siya i-enclose sa float since si promo code is naka-string. Since already string na siya, so ayan, input lang. Ayan. And then, next, num adults. So, ano naman si num adults? So, si num adults is naka-int. So, yung input natin, i-enclose natin sa int. So, bakit? So, since whole number lagi yung num adults, like, for example, 3 kayong magta-travel, hindi naman pwedeng may kalahati lang ng katawan na magta-travel, no? So, ayun. So, for example, 3 kayong magta-travel. So, laging yung input natin for the number of adults is whole number. So, 3, 5, 7, or anything na whole number. And then, luggage. Luggage. Float. So, bakit natin ulit in-enclose sa float yung luggage? since yung luggage natin, since we're dealing with the, you call this, we're dealing with like for the kilogram or yung bigat nung luggage. So, hindi naman lagi whole number yung kilogram. So, pwedeng 1.5, something, kaya natin siya in-enclose sa float. Yeah. So, that's all for our inputs. If you're done with inputs, type inputs. All right. So now let's move on. So dito na tayo gagamit ng conditionals. So dito na natin magagamit si if else statement. So statement, conditionals. So by the way, ito palang mga to is just a comment to determine ano yung ginawa natin dun sa part ng code na yon. So hindi yan kasama sa may execute. So it's just a comment para malaman lang natin kung ano yung ginawa natin dun sa codes na yon. So for this one, constant inputs. So now we'll be doing conditionals. Yan. So sa conditionals, i-check natin if si luggage, yan, if si luggage is greater than 20, so ano yung gagawin niya? So palagi nyo din tong tignan na meron tayong ganito kasi magkaka-error sa code pagka wala niyan. Then, hit enter. So, para mag-automatically tab siya. So, ito yung to-watch out nyo lagi, yung indentation. Kasi, kapag nasa loob ng if, so dapat naka-indent yan. Yan. So, ayun yung i-execute niya. And then, what we'll be doing here is to print. Ano yung ipiprint natin? Luggage should not exceed 20 kilogram. Kilogram. So, dapat daw yung luggage natin will not exceed 20 kilogram unless hindi tayo makapag-travel or hindi tayo papayagang mag-travel. So, ayun yung chine-check nito. And then, now, ayan. So, punta naman tayo sa else part. Wherein, syempre, kapag hindi nag-exceed sa 20 kilogram yung luggage natin, so, ito na yung i-execute na code, yung nasa else part. So, ayan yung kanina, pag-enter natin, so backspace lang tayo, tapos else. Yan. And then enter ulit para automatically naka-tab na yan. So, ito yung i-execute na code ni else, yung under niya. Yan. So, now we will determine the subtotal. So, subtotal. Ano to si subtotal? Si subtotal is a computation of our fare and number of adults. So, for example, meron tayong pamasahe, syempre kung ilan tayo. So, ayun yung parang pinaka-computation ng fare natin. So, adults. So, dito yan manggagaling. Yan. Tapos si fare. So, kung magkano. So, parang i-compute lang natin yung subtotal or yung pinaka-totality ng fare. Yan. So, comment subtotal if you're done. Yan. So, once you're done, so let's move on. So, sa part na to, dito naman natin i-calculate yung discount. Yan. Ayan. Calculate discount. Ayan, dito natin calculate si discount. And then, let's say, initially nating i-store si discount as 0. And then, if promo code wherein manggagaling yan sa input. So if promo code is equals to 15%. So ito yung nasa slides natin kanina na kapag merong promo code na 15%, so medyo malilesen yung total ng cost na babayaran natin. So, yan. Enter ulit. And then discount. So kapag merong promo code na 15% from the input, so magkakaroon tayo ng discount. So from our subtotal, then i-multiply natin siya kay 0.15 para magkaroon tayo ng 15% na discount. So, yan. And then, yung subtotal natin, of course, ilaless natin yung discount na makukuha natin. Yes. Alright. Type discount if you're done with the discount. Alright. So once we are done with the discount, so now let's move on. So ano naman yung ika-calculate natin? So we're going to calculate the luggage fee. So paano natin gagawin yun? So calculate luggage fee. And then luggage fee, let's say 0 muna. Initially, 0 yung luggage fee natin. And then if luggage is greater than 7. So bakit if luggage is greater than 7 yung nilagay natin dito? So magkakaroon lang tayo ng luggage fee. So yung meaning nito is magkakaroon tayo ng luggage fee kapag yung luggage natin is greater than 7 kg. Pero kung exactly equal to 7 kg, so wala tayong luggage fee. So meaning nito kapag yung luggage natin is greater than 7 kg, so magkakaroon tayo ng luggage fee. So with luggage fee, yan, equals luggage fee wherein yung ilagay natin dito kanina. Yan. So may luggage fee lang, again may luggage fee lang kapag yung luggage natin is greater than 7 kg based doon sa input ni user. So mamaya makikita natin siya. Yan. So type luggage if you're done with the luggage part. Alright. I assume you're done with the luggage part. So now, i-compute natin yung pinaka total cost. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, calculate total cost. So, comment lang natin dito, calculate total cost para alam natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng specific codes na yon. So, calculate the total cost and then total cost is equals to sub total wherein dito. So, kung merong promo code, so si subtotal maliless. Then, from our total cost, so kung meron tayong luggage fee, so kasama yun sa total cost natin. If yung luggage natin is greater than 7 kg. Yan. Yan. So, total cost. So, from yung total cost natin, again, yung subtotal, and then yung luggage fee. Yan. Alright. Type total cost. If you're done with the total cost, yan. So, once we're done with the total cost, so now let's move on to calculating our tax. So, kung ano yung, kung magkano yung babayaran natin sa tax. So, calculate the tax. Yan, calculate tax. And then, tax is equals to total cost. And then, kung magkano yung tax na nandun sa, i-multiply lang natin kung magkano yung tax na nandun sa constant natin, which is yung tax rate. Yan. Alright. Tapos na tayo sa calculate tax. So, once we're done with the calculate tax, type tax. Alright. So, I assume you're done. So, now, we'll move on to printing our output from for the else, since for if meron na tayong i-output. So, now, let's print the output naman for our else block. So, print results. So, ano yung i-print natin sa results? So, print F. Sorry. F. So, bakit natin nilagyan ng F? Kasi magko-call tayo dito ng variable. So, discount. So, kung magkano yung discount natin, so ilalagay lang natin siya dito as discount. So, saan manggagaling si discount? So, dito siya manggagaling. So, kung magkano yung discount natin, i-output lang natin. And then, PHP. So, in peso. Then, now, ano pa yung need nating i-output ulit? So, need nating i-output si luggage fee. So, F. Then, luggage fee. Sorry, luggage fee. Then, kung magkano yung luggage fee. So, saan natin kukunin si luggage fee? So, dito. Yan, alright. Then, again, PHP, since we're dealing with peso. And then, ano pa yung need natin i-output? Of course, yung tax. So, kung magkano yung naging tax natin, yung value added tax. Yan. So, let's print out tax. So, saan manggagaling si tax? So, total cost times yung tax rate, which is yung nandito sa constant natin. Alright. So, ayun. Again, lagay natin PHP. Then, print ulit. Then, ano yung need pa nating i-print? Of course, yung total cost. So, kung magkano yung total na magastos natin. So, total. And then, yung total cost. So, saan natin kukunin ulit si total cost? Of course, dito. Yung subtotal, tapos yung luggage fee. Subtotal plus yung luggage fee. Then, total cost. Then, PHP. Alright. So, we're done. So, type results if you're done with this part, the print results. So, next up, irarun na natin yung code na ginawa natin. Yan. Alright, check ko lang yung comments. Alright, marami nang nakadan sa results. Okay. So, let's get back to our code. Yan. So, since meron tayong 4 na inputs, so kung makikita nyo dito, merong custom input. So, lalagyan natin siya ng 4 na inputs. So, for example, meron tayong 10,000 na fare. And then, promo code. So, for example, nakuha natin yung 15% na promo code. So, 15%. Yan, 15%. Lalagay natin dito. And then, 10,000 yung fare. And then, adults. So, ilan tayong magta-travel? So, ilan tayo totally na magkakasamang magta-travel? So, for example, 3 tayo. So, lalagay natin dito 3. And then, luggage. So, luggage, yung dala natin. So, gaano ba kabigat yung dala natin? For example, meron tayong luggage na 8 kilogram. Yan. So, that's our inputs. And now, so, if meron na tayong nilagay dito na 4 na inputs, so, let's try to execute our code. Alright. So, as you can see here, so pumasok siya doon sa else. Bakit? So, yung luggage natin kasi is hindi nag-exceed sa 20 kilogram. So, check natin ulit yung custom input natin. Since yung luggage natin is 8 kilogram lang and greater than 20 kilogram yung bawal or mag-print to kapag greater than 20 kilogram. Since less than 20 kilogram yung luggage natin, so yung else block yung nag-run. So, kung makikita natin dito sa input, sa output rather, so meron tayong 4,500 na discount. So, bakit tayo nagka-discount? Since sa input natin, naglagay tayo ng 15%, which is pumasok dito sa block of code na to, and then, kinompute niya na kung magkano yung magiging discount natin. So, that's why meron tayong 4,500 na discount. And then, luggage fee. So, bakit tayo nagkaroon ng luggage fee na 400? So, since yung luggage, kilogram ng luggage natin is 8, and kapag greater than 7 daw, yung luggage natin dito, greater than 7 kilogram, so meron dapat tayong babayaran na luggage fee na 400. So, that's why yung luggage fee natin is merong 400. So, value added tax. So, computation lang to ng tax from our total cost and then yung tax rate. So, yung tax rate which is yung nasa constant natin, assuming na 0.075 yung tax rate. And then, total na babayaran natin, of course, yung total cost is 25,900. So, let's say for example, yung luggage natin is 7. So, meron ba tayong luggage fee? So, let's try. Yeah. So, wala tayong luggage fee. So, bakit? Kasi greater than 7 kilogram lang yung merong luggage fee. So, that's it. So, paano naman kung wala tayong promo code? So, let's say for example, ayan, wala tayong promo code. Magkakaroon ba tayo ng discount? So, let's see. Yan. So, since wala tayong promo code, wala tayong discount. And yung total cost na babayaran natin is 30,000. And yon. So, paano kung mali yung promo code natin? So, let's try it. For example, mali yung promo code. course, wala tayong discount. So, ganun pa rin yung babayaran natin. And yeah, that's and your very first program in Python. And I hope na natuto kayo sa 40 minutes coding. And yep, kung may questions kayo, comment nyo lang. So yep, that's all. Thank you so much.
Ayun. Okay. Ay, lalabas muna natin yung code mo ulit, Mark, ha?
Ah, alright. Sige po.
Sige.
Ayan.
Ayan. I-zoom natin, pa-zoom pa natin para ano.
Zoom ka lang. Alright.
Ayun. Ayan, okay. So, sa mga ano 'no, congratulations. Type niyo naman diyan, travel, kung na-run niyo yung code niyo successfully. 'Pag na-follow niyo. And if you have questions, you can comment here 'pag may mga errors na encounter niyo, type niyo lang or, baka may hindi clear sa inyo na line, you can just put there also. Long weekend din pala ngayon 'no, so timing naman 'tong ano, topic natin. So ayun, may nakita na akong nag-comment ng travel. Okay, that's good. That's good 'no. Okay, travel, travel. Excited na din ba kayong mag-travel? Ayun, yeah. So, thank you very much and congratulations. You have successfully run your first code in 40 minutes. 40 minutes lang yun. Actually, less than 40 minutes nga yun. Eh. So, that's great, everyone. Great job. Thank you so much, Mark, for being so generous with your
Thank you.
time, for being a trainer here sa CYF. We hope you will be able to. We will be able to conduct more projects like this one no, in other parts then of the country. So thank you again, Mark. Do you have anything you want to say lastly for our participants?
Alright, thank you so much sa DICT and StackTrek once again. And ayun, congrats sa mga nakapag-run na ng first program nila. And I hope a very good future for you guys. And yeah, congrats and thank you so much.
There you have it. Thank you so much, Mark, again. So, ayun, no. So, I will be flashing here the full code for your reference. Wait, hanapin ko muna. Tsaka i-comment ko din for your, ano, para easy siya na clickable lang yung link. Ayun. So, for those who want to check out the full code, just go to bit.ly/CYF dash APR28 full code. Okay, so yun yung link natin for the full code. Take note, hindi siya pwedeng i-copy paste. So kailangan niyo talagang i-type yung code yourself para alam natin na na-complete mo talaga and you will get your certificate, digital certificate. Once you are done with the code, so just go to this link bit.ly/CYF dash APR28 cert. So just send a screenshot of your code, upload mo dun sa form, send your information, then you can now get your digital certificate. Also, dun sa coding playground natin, if makikita nyo, meron yung ano, meron siyang screenshot na button sa taas. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Para easier din. Easier sa inyo. So dito no, meron siyang screenshot sa taas. Again, you can check out the full code sa comment section. Meron doon. Okay, let's see. Here. Again, you will need to send your screenshot para considered, para ano kayo, para ma-claim ninyo yung digital certificate ninyo. So if you can see here, share natin to ha. Ayun. So, eto, merong options dito. Merong option na take screenshot. So, click mo lang yan and then magda-download na yung screenshot. Tapos, i-upload nyo yon and then, ayun, submit the form. Okay. So, yun po yung code natin, coding workshop for this afternoon. Congratulations again sa mga nakakomplete. I'm so happy and I hope you guys have really learned a lot for from this workshop, no? Okay. So I would like you to think of this workshop then as an excerpt of a full training that we have here in StackTrek, and we are very excited to announce and share with you guys our StackTrek full stack training, and this one is free upon training completion. So, paano ba yung setup nito? Meron tayong training deposit, and this one, yung training deposit kasi yung purpose nito is so that you guys will really complete the training. Because our goal really here is to produce as many um, programmers, no, or for you to be able to complete talaga yung training. So once you pay the training deposit and then na-complete nyo na yung training, you pass the training and you complete it, then you will get 100% yung training deposit ninyo. Again, it's a deposit. So pag may deposit ka, 'di ba, makukuhan mo naman siya. So ayun, you just need to complete the training. So StackTrek full stack training actually has two. Meron tayong dalawang trainings na ina-offer. And what stack track full stack training would suit you. So ito, first we have the rescale training. This is a non-coders training, and ano po yung meron dito? So actually for everyone here, especially yung mga first times or yung mga nag-shift ng career, or you just really want to learn about full stack na training, or yung you want to learn more about this technology. So this is perfect for you. And in this training, you will be able to develop key skills that can help you prepare to become a successful tech professional. Next naman is we have the upskill training. So sa mga students na andito, mga IT students na medyo may background na, or kahit sa mga professionals who just want to expand more on their career potential, you can take up the upskill training. So this is a coders training, and here, please remember this is a full stack training. So you get to learn, if you're currently using a certain tech stack right now and you want to learn the full stack, then this one is also this might be something you will want to take. No, so this is to advance your career and equip yourself with a modern engineering stack. So, ayun po, no, dalawa, reskill and upskill. Just go over to our website, submit your application at apply.stacktrek.com. I will also send here, comment ko na lang din, no, yung link para easy access din. Ayun. There you have it. So again, you can go over at apply.stacktrek.com for your application. Okay, so ano po yung laman ng training natin, or what will you be able to learn? So this is the curriculum overview. Meron tayong code foundations, introduction to web development, you will learn JavaScript, and many others. Ayun, pakita ko na lang sa inyo lahat. Ayun, ay sorry. Ayan. So, ito po yung curriculum overview natin. Next is, compare natin yung schedule ninyo, and what type of training din yung kukunin nyo. So, again, meron tayong training deposit. For reskill, that is 18,000, and for upskill, it's 10,000. But again, this is free upon training completion. So, you will get your money back once you complete and pass the training. So, hopefully talaga tapusin niyo para para marami tayo, no, dadami na tayo sa tech industry. So we have the duration, we have two types na schedule. We have the full-time and part-time. So it depende na po sa inyo which one is more convenient, which one is yung swak sa schedule nyo. For full-time, it's 4 months sa rescale, tapos yung part-time is 6 months. And then for upscale, yung full-time is 2 months and yung part-time is 4 months. Then for the full schedule naman, yung full-time natin for reskill is Monday to Friday. That's 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So parang ano lang talaga siya, parang going to a regular na training. For part-time naman, let's say you have meron kayong school, meron kayong daytime na trabaho, or you have other engagements, so you can also try the part-time schedule, that is Monday to Friday 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. tsaka Saturday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So pareho lang yung schedule natin for reskill and upskill. Depende lang kung saan mas convenient sa inyo. Okay, and I'm also very excited to announce to you guys. This is exclusive. Actually, tapos na sana yung 20% discount off or 20% off natin last week. Pero just for you guys, exclusive sa inyo, for Region 4, you can still claim your 20% discount on training deposit. I will send you an email. So may email kayong marireceive. Andun yung discount code. So we hope you guys will really use it. Sayang naman yung discount ninyo. So this is exclusive only for mga participants natin for this coding workshop. Ayun. So take a look at our discount code na you will receive from your email. Okay. So again, this is the StackTrek full stack training, and you can go ahead and apply at apply.stacktrek.com. If you also have any other questions, gusto nyo pang malaman what the training is all about, you can message us at fb.com/stacktrek, our Facebook page. Or if you prefer to email us, that's also fine. Just send us an email via training@stacktrek.com. Okay. And the second the second very exciting opportunity that I want to share with you guys is Stack League. This is the Philippines' largest online programming league, and this is powered by StackTrek's fully automated talent analytics and assessment platform. So these are the five supported languages in Stack League: JavaScript, Java, Python, C Sharp, and PHP. So yung ginamit natin na language for the workshop no was Python. So pwede yung gamitin din when you do or when you join Stack League. I will also show here. Hold on. Sige, may papakita din ako sa inyo. If you are interested, you can go ahead and join Stack League via stackleague.com. Ayan. So ano po yung ranking system natin here? Again, this is a competition, so syempre meron siyang ranking system. So once you sign up, you get to solve challenges, meron siyang points, and then when you accumulate those points na, you get to unlock bronze, then unlock silver, and unlock gold. Now, take note, sa gold level challengers natin, maraming opportunities that will also be unlocked pag na-reach mo na yung gold. So, one would be yung job opportunities, exclusive only for our gold level players. Meron tayong uh, ma-open din yung master level challenge if you want to even further improve your skills. So ayun no, merong mga exclusive opportunities for you guys when you reach gold level. Ayun, so this is what I was talking about, yung master level challenge. Also, since it's a competition, syempre merong prizes. So once you unlock bronze level, you get automatic yun, meron kang 100 pesos. Once you unlock silver, that's additional 100 pesos. And once you unlock gold, additional 300 pesos yun. Now, if you're wondering, ay, nagsimula na pala yung Stock League for this season, pwede pa kaya ako nito? Yes, because this is a year-round cash prize, yung level up natin. So kahit na April na, you can still get a chance to grab the prizes no for our level up. So ayun, we also have the weekly top 10. Right now, the league is divided into two. We have the Pro League and Student League. It's just from the name itself. The Pro League will be for professionals and Student League will be for our students. And every week po to, we our weekly top 10 players will receive 500 pesos each. So, ibig sabihin, every week meron tayong 20 winners. So, ano na talaga to, you can win big talaga sa Stack League. Also, we have the second monthly qualifier round tomorrow, which is happening tomorrow. This is a competition featuring all weekly top 10 for that month. So maglalaban-laban sila. And then the top one will receive 5,000 pesos and top two will receive 3,000 pesos. And all the monthly qualifier round winners will compete sa finals week natin sa December. So, doon natin i-announce yung grand winner din natin for our playoffs. Also, this has been nagbigay tayo ng teaser no this week. Upcoming natin na competition is Battle Blitz. Keep an eye out for more updates on this one. So if you are also interested on how each of the competition works or how kung paano ba siya lalaruin, you can go over to stackleague.com/blogs for all the mechanics. Also, Stack League is also conducting tech and career sessions. So all throughout the year din to. Here we have Stack League Kada Career Stack League Kada Career Session, Career Opportunities in Data Science Industry on May 3. That's next week, Wednesday, 6 p.m. You can reserve your slot via bit.ly/stackleague-May 3. And if you also want to become a league leader sa Stack League, pero hindi mo pa alam kung saan simulan no, or how to start, you can join our Stack League workshop on May 9, Tuesday, 6 p.m. We will be teaching you the know-hows in leveling up and staying on top of the ranks. You can reserve your slot at bit.ly/stackleague-May 9. So again, all our Stack League sessions will have digital certificates then. All right. So I think that would be that concludes no StackTrek and StackLeague. So again, in summary, no, you can go ahead and take the StackTrek full stack training by applying at apply.stacktrek.com, and you can also join StackLeague via stackleague.com. All right. So for more updates then sa mga upcoming workshops, mga career sessions natin here sa Code Your Future, just go ahead sa Facebook page natin. Nandun siya sa event page. You can click on or reserve your slots there. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook community. So Code Your Future, you can get the latest updates here. Connect with your fellow Filipinos na interested din to code. Connect with career shifters, tech professionals, and the like. You can go ahead and join our FB community. All right. So I think that would be all. So again, meron pang meron pa bang hahabol? Okay. So sa mga gusto pang humabol no, just click on the click on your or here I put in the comment section no yung full code and also the form for your digital certificate. So ayun. Check nyo lang yun, guys. Again, hindi po siya makakopy. So, you have to type in the code yourself. Take a screenshot, upload it sa Drive or your cloud, anywhere that you want to upload it. And then get the link. Add nyo lang dun sa form. And then, you will receive your digital certificate. Okay. So I think that would be all for our workshop this morning. On behalf of the StackTrek team, I would like to say thank you to everyone for joining our Code Your Future. Of course, thank you so much for the ICT Region 4 for being so supportive on this initiative. Again, this is Code Your Future 40 Minutes Coding Workshop for non-coders in partnership with the ICT Region 4A and 4B. This has been your host, Casey. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye, everyone.